Hello, everyone. I just wanted to make you understand the seriousness or the gravity of this webinar which I'm hosting tomorrow on the 10 common interview questions. Uh, and if you notice carefully in the poster, you will see it's written part 1, which means there'll be lots of upcoming webinars on the same topic. Please understand, I have a question bank of more than 2000 interview questions, and I do personal interview training for engineering students and all that, because one of the placement rounds is on personal interview. So I do training out there in colleges on this topic, on interviews and all that. uh, Please attend this webinar tomorrow. And remember, if I'm doing 10 questions tomorrow on which is part 1, then part 2 next time will be 10 new questions, then part 3 it will be 10 new questions. I wanted to understand one thing, uh, and why it is so serious to attend this webinar and the upcoming webinars on this topic about interview questions is most of the engineering students or other students, but because I'm more into the engineering, I train more engineering students, so I'm saying from that angle. Most of the engineering students during placement round, even if they pass aptitude and go to the next round, they usually get stuck or they get rejected in group discussion, or if they pass group discussion, they get rejected in interview. Most of them, for many reasons, not able to answer appropriately. For example, if I ask you, now these are all common questions. I won't give you the answer because these answers I'm going to discuss tomorrow. Suppose if I ask you, or let me tell you a particular scenario in a college classroom, and there is a table and I'm sitting on this chair, and there is one more chair there, and if I ask the student, we are having practice session, okay? If I ask the student, okay, tell me something about yourself, and the student who's already nervous, all the stage fear stuff and all, he or she says, my name is this, my mother's name is this, my father's name is this, my father is doing this work, my mother is a housewife, full stop, full stop. They are not able to carry on the conversation after that. And do you think if you give such a limited answer, you'll get selected? If I ask you a question, tell me something about yourself, or any other question, you better answer it in 15 to 20 seconds or 30 seconds, which means you got to keep on speaking at least that 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So there are many things what goes into why you're not able to talk fluently or express yourself. One of the reasons, of course, is that most of the times you're talking mainly in your mother tongue, and so you find it difficult to express in English or continue a conversation in English. So all this I'm going to discuss tomorrow. And there are answers. When I ask you, tell me something about yourself, there are appropriate answers. And that kind of answer when you give, it takes almost 20 seconds to 30 seconds. Or let's take another question. What is your salary expectation? How much do you expect? And suppose you say, if you give me 5 lakhs or 4 lakhs annually, that's okay, that's enough. Do you think you'll get selected with that kind of a stupid answer? Do you think so? Please understand, this is an interview and you got to give appropriate answers. So what is that appropriate answer? I'm going to discuss tomorrow. You know, something which most of you all don't know. Yes, I am a trainer. I train engineering students and all on placement rounds and all that, on English and soft skills and all that. But sometimes a company may directly call me on my phone and tell me, Amit sir, can you go to this college? You only do the GD, and this is not training, this is an actual placement round. So this company tells me, can you go to this college? You only do the GD, and from GD you shortlist, and whichever students you've shortlisted, you only take their interviews. And from interviews, again shortlist and select 5 candidates for us. And those five candidates, send us their names and USN numbers, and instantly we'll mail you the offer letter. You take a printout of the offer letter and give it to them in their hands, there and then. So I do that also. So I know exactly what are the appropriate answers which can help you to pass a PI round, a personal interview round. So please attend this webinar on this particular topic because it has to do with your career. And keep on attending when I keep on holding more PI webinars on different questions. Please attend. Now, two more things. One of the reasons some first year or second year students, they do not attend this, or they will not, or they think they should not attend this webinar tomorrow because they have a lot of time. Because usually placement rounds happen in the 7th sem. So they think they have a lot of time. And then again they think, oh, but and that time the training will happen. No. Listen. When that time, if training happens or when training happens, you will get more knowledge that time also. But at least now when someone is giving you knowledge, get this knowledge so that when you actually undergo training that time, you will be well prepared with the answers. Come on. I want all of you to come out of this, stupid casual attitude with life. When someone is giving you knowledge and that knowledge is going to help you in your career and help you to get a job, you should be all out to attend the webinar. Third, and I'm going to end with this. Third point. Yes, I've told you earlier that every webinar of mine, the fees is 250 rupees. Now, suppose you message me on WhatsApp and you say, Amit sir, I don't have 250, I can spend 150, I can spend 100. Fine, you send that 100, 150, whatever. If you have 150, send 150. If you have 100 rupees also, send 100 rupees and attend this webinar. But again, let's say there is someone who tells me, Amit sir, I have no money at all. Not even 1 paisa, not even 1 rupee. I am facing a lot of financial problem. Suppose you tell me that Amit sir, I have no money. It's okay, you attend free of cost, but attend. One of the other problems I'm seeing in society, especially with younger generation, one of the things, too much ego. You know how? I'll tell you. Oh, this webinar has fees and if I attend free of cost, it's not nice. It's not nice. So it's better I will not attend. I don't want to attend free. What a stupid, egoistic attitude. The other person, that is me, who is going out of the way and telling you attend for free, you are showing your ego. Do you know something? Listen to me very clearly. This I saw on TV, so I am telling you. Last week, I saw on TV, one of the channels, in US, one of the cities, in the parking area, car parking area, there was an NGO who was distributing free food. And you know who were the people taking that food, free food? There was a line of cars outside the parking area. And you know what kind of cars? Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Porsche, Lamborghini. Cars are lined up to go and take free food. Why? Because they've lost their jobs, no money. And if one of those characters shows his ego, oh, I'm going in a Porsche, I'm going in a Lamborghini, how can I take free food? Then don't take, boss, you suffer. You die out of hunger only. Come on. But thankfully, they didn't have any ego. Even though they were going in Porsche and Lamborghini and Mercedes-Benz, no ego. Very humble. And they're standing in the queue of cars. So that when their turn comes, they will go into that parking area, collect that food for themselves and for their children so that they can live. भाड़ में गया ego. you will see my tone changing when I talk like this, because I care for you all, and I am getting hundreds and phone calls of students who, after getting that engineering degree, they're sitting in the house not getting a job. What's the use? Your parents have invested so much, lakhs of rupees in your education. Uske baad, after you get degree, sitting in house. And by the way, I'll tell you one statistics: 70% of engineering students in India are not getting job due to the lack of communication skills, lack of soft skills, etc., etc. So here I am giving you all this knowledge. Arey attend yaar. If you have money, ठीक है, give the money, give the fees. If you don't have money, attend free of cost, but attend. Have you ever wondered my level of commitment towards y'all? I see, what is my source of income? My source of income is training, correct? But due to this pandemic, due to this lockdown, all colleges are closed. So when colleges are closed means no training. And I don't know when the colleges will open, even you don't know. So I have no source of income. I'm finding it a struggle to manage my house. So then someone suggested me, actually one of the students suggested me, and I'm so happy and thankful to him. One of the students suggested me that, Amit uncle, why don't you start webinars? Charge a fees or something. I said, it's a good this thing. At least kuch to paisa aayega, some money will come. So I started webinar, charging a fee of 250, that if some money comes, I will be able to run my house, buy milk, buy ration, whatever. But my heart is always of helping people. I don't look at money like that. Because my whole life I've been mentoring and grooming you like a guru, like a father figure, like a mentor. And so even though money is important for me to run my house, but still, if you don't have 250, you have 100, you have 50, you have 150, whatever you have, you can give that also and attend. Let's say you don't have any money at all. It's okay, you attend free of cost, yaar, but attend and get the teachings. Get the teachings. And these teachings are going to help you to achieve your goals in life and be successful and happy in life. And this topic, which I'm starting tomorrow, this PI, if you notice carefully in the poster, it says 10 common questions in personal interview, part 1. Which means there are many parts which are coming, and every time I come, it's going to be 10 new questions. And I'm going to make it very interactive. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask a question. Okay, chalo. Suppose 10 people are attending the webinar or 20 people are attending the webinar. I say, okay, chalo, tell me. All of y'all. And there is no video, no one can see each other, nobody knows anyone. And you have to tell me very honestly, very openly. So I say, okay, tell me all of you. Give me an answer to tell me something about yourself. Chalo, tell me. And so one student says this, one student gives this answer, the other. So they all give answers. Then I give feedback. And then I give my appropriate answer. Of course, I am not saying the answer I give, that is the only correct one. No. One question can have 10 different answers, and all 10 different answers can be correct answers also. But the answer I will give will be one of those correct answers. And so, there are so many questions I'm going to discuss. Tell me something about yourself. How much salary do you expect? Or are you okay with relocating? Are you okay with night shift? I can ask you an abstract question also. For example, in my house, the walls are cream in color. You can see it, right? I can ask you. Suppose I'm the interviewer and we are sitting in a room. I can ask you, okay, why is the wall cream? Abstract question. You better have an answer. You can't tell me later, Amit sir, what question was that? No, it's a question. Why the sun rises from the east? It's a question. You better have an answer. And many times, or not many times, sometimes the interviewers are not only looking for the correct answer. Sometimes they are just looking at, your wit, your thinking on your feet. So there are many things I need to discuss with you. Even getting into the 10 questions, I'm going to build a foundation of what this interview is, why they take interviews, what qualities they're looking in you, blah blah blah. See, it's going to be a very intense thing. So come on, I'm going to end this video now. Please participate and encourage your friends also to participate tomorrow. So you've seen the poster. Tomorrow it's for 2 hours. That is Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday, 24th May 2020. It'll start, the webinar will start at 11 a.m. It'll finish by 1 p.m. So please, right now, don't let your ego come in between. Don't let anything come in between. If you have time for your online classes, college classes, if you have time for everything else, you better take out time for this also. I'm being very serious. You know my nature. I become loud like this only when I see that the students are not taking it seriously. And I care for you. Just like your Amma Appa care for you, I care for you. I want all of you to get job. I want all of you to be happy and successful in life. That's why today I'm little loud. So please don't go on my wordings. Understand the depth from where I am coming. Why I am speaking like this. Because I care. You have no idea how much of oceans of tears I am handling of students who are not getting job. After finishing engineering, after finishing this, finishing that, getting all the degrees, now they're sitting in the house. And by the way, all or most of the corporate honchos, the corporate big people, they are saying this again and again in every seminar, that most of the students who come for interviews, they are not ready. Not ready with what? They have the degrees, they are ready with their educational qualification, but they are not ready with their soft skills, their life skills, their confidence factor. Always nervous, always, can't talk in front of people. Please understand. Listen to me carefully and I'm going to end with this. Your degree or your good percentages, it's a hard skill that will take you to the interview room, but it will not give you the job. What will give you the job? The way you talk, the confidence factor, the answers you give, the way you express yourself, and all that comes under soft skills. There are many students in India who are only focusing on their study, hard skill. And they're getting good percentages, good CGPA, everything. But they can't talk, they can't express in front of people, in interviews, in GDs. They lack soft skills. And then they get rejected and then they don't get job and they start wondering, I got so much CGPA but I'm sitting in house. Are? Soft skills. So along with hard skills, listen to me, along with hard skills, which is your study, you've got to study hard, you've got to pass with good grades. That is important. That's very important actually. So along with your studies and good grades, which is hard skill, you also have to focus on the soft skills, your confidence factor, your comfort level of expressing yourself, and you have to express yourself and all that. And when you balance this hard skill and soft skill, that will give you the job and that will make you happy and successful in life. Okay? So, wake up. And right now, as I end this video, message me on WhatsApp. All of you know my number. It's 9880162325 and tell me, Amit sir, Amit uncle, I want to attend this webinar. This is the fees I can give, or this is the fees I can afford. Or you can tell me, Amit sir, I don't have fees. I want to attend it free of cost. Fine. Send me a message. So, can you send me the link? And by tonight, I'll send you the link. By tonight. So, please message me on WhatsApp and tell me, Amit sir or Amit uncle, whatever you call me, I want to attend this webinar tomorrow. And I want to attend all the PI, personal interview webinars. And yes, I can give you 250 rupees for this webinar tomorrow. Or I don't have 250, I can give you only 100 rupees, or I can give you 150 rupees. Or, Amit sir, I have no money, I want to attend free of cost. Is that okay? For all this, I am giving you these options. If you can pay me 250, great. If you don't have 250, no problem. If you can give me 100, if you can give me 100 rupees or 50 rupees or 150 rupees, that's also okay, because every money you give me, it will help me to run the house. Please understand that. But let's say you don't have the, let's say you don't have that 50 rupees or 100 rupees also. Fine, you attend free of cost and be humble. Throw that stupid ego out of the window and tell me, Amit sir, I don't have money at all, so I want to attend free of cost. Fine, you attend free of cost, but attend and get the learnings, get the teachings, so that you can do well in placement and get your job with a good offer letter, with a good pay packet, and you're also happy, your family is happy, everybody is happy. Okay? Chalo, see you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. I expect your SMSs right now after this webinar. Okay? Bye bye.